Hello, my name is Giselle and welcome to my Music Foundation YouTube video. Today we will be discussing on intervals of 3. The last video discussed about intervals of 2. And just to repeat myself, intervals are the distance between two notes. In this case, intervals of 3 is moving in thirds. That's not a third, the left hand part. But with the thirds, we're going to use something simple. C to E is a third. Moving up. C to A is a third, moving down. We have melodic intervals, which is part of a melody, or harmonic, where we play it at the same time to create a third harmonic interval. C and E. When you're reading music, these notes are moving line to line or space to space. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful day and please subscribe. Bye.